Okay, padayan na kita. Number 19. A 1.50 kilogram mass of a spring has displacement as a function of time. Sa dinhatagan function. The time for one complete vibration. Okay, let's just do it one at a time. Kita ba't oras? So, actually, ini nga function, mapapansin niyo, ini nga 4.16, that is the omega t. Diba? Diba? So, omega. From omega, we can compute actually the period t, because that's what we are trying to find for letter A. The time for one complete vibration is t. So when we have omega, F is omega over 2 pi. This is 1 over t. So letter A, for letter A, saan ba ini? F is W over 2 pi. Omega all over 2 pi. Wherein your F is also equal to 1 all over t. So therefore, T is equal to 2 pi all over omega. Then given from problem, you have omega, which is 4.16 per second. 4.16 per second. So yun yung second makatutagbaw. So therefore, the period will be in seconds. So substitute 2 pi all over 4.16, and that will give us the period, which is 1.51 seconds. Okay, so that would be the time sheet store A. Okay, next. Letter B, kaya pag letter B, the force constant of the spring. Force constant of the spring, when you have already K, force constant is K actually. You can get this from omega squared of K over M. Omega, letter B. Letter B is omega is equal to the square root of K all over M, and we want to find K, the force constant, so therefore omega squared is equal to K all over M. Now we want to find K is omega squared multiplied by the mass. Sorry, so the mass is given to be 1.50 kilogram. So 4.16 of course squared per second, and then you have a mass of mass that is 1.50 kilogram. 1.50 kilograms. So therefore your K would be 1.50 kilogram per second squared. Okay, naka-squared it up in 4.16. So therefore you have 4.16 times 1.50 4.16 squared, and that will give us 25 B 25.95 or 26. In three significant figures, that would be 26 kilogram per second squared. Kaya pat letter C, the maximum speed. Letter B lang para ma-open. Thank you guys.